Let's talk about the car data type. The car data type is a single character, and it's placed within single quotation marks. It holds any particular single character. Now I said single character a number of times to let you know it's not like a string, which holds multiple characters, but it does store and manipulate character strings. So the string is different because it is a string of car. So multiple car together make up a string. String is a built-in class, but it's a reference type with methods and behaviors. All right, so one of the interesting things about car is it's what we use escape sequences with. Escape sequences are ways to print out stuff to the screen that you don't necessarily think about as a character. For example, you have a new line escape sequence. A new line escape sequence, we showed you before how to, let's go ahead and run this particular program. How to run a print line. You could just do system.out.println, and that gives us an extra line feed. And you can see that working here. Well, you can also do that with the new line escape sequence, and it would look like, I'll just print it in here. I'll just print out a second. That's a second line feed. So now when you run this, it's going to have 2 line feeds. And that's because this \n acts as an escape sequence. And let me show you different escape sequences. \b moves the cursor 1 space to the left. \t moves the cursor to the next tab stop. \n is really popular. It's a new line or line feed, which you saw earlier. \r is similar, but instead of moving it to the next line, moves it to the beginning of the current line. \quotation mark displays a double quotation mark. \single quotation mark displays a single quotation mark. And double \/ displays a \/ character. Now these act within the string, basically the car string when you're bringing in scanner class. But to understand more about that, we need to understand the scanner class itself.